In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Squarespace password. This process is quick and easy, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to go to the Squarespace login page. If you typically navigate there, but have forgotten how, simply open your preferred web browser and type in Squarespace. Clicking on the first result should direct you to the home page, where you can find the login button typically located in the upper right corner of the site. Clicking this will bring you to the login screen, which is our starting point today. Now that you're at the login page, you're going to see the login fields where you would normally enter your email and password. But since we're dealing with a forgotten password, you'll want to look just below these fields. There, you'll find a link that says, "Can't log in." Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a page specifically designed to help you regain access to your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Squarespace account. It's important to ensure that you have the correct email address that's tied to your account, as the process hinges on this step. After entering the email, you'll see a button labeled Send Email. Clicking this sends a password reset email from Squarespace directly to your inbox. Now it's time to check your email. Head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for the password reset email from noreply@squarespace.com. Sometimes these emails can take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient if you don't see it right away. Also, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder, just in case it landed there by mistake. Once you find the password reset email, open it up and follow the detailed instructions provided in the email to reset your password. It will walk you through the steps necessary to establish a new password, ensuring that you can log back into your account smoothly. And there you have it. A simple and straightforward way to reset your Squarespace password. Just remember these key points. Go to the login page, click Can't Log In, enter your email, and then follow the email instructions to reset your password. This process will have you back in your account in no time, ready to pick up where you left off. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.